Welcome to topic test 2 error detection or spotting error discussion. You have already written this exercise at this test yesterday. So let's begin the discussion of the same. So look at the first question, guys. Question number 1. Unless it is acceptable to both the parties, an arbitrator would be of no use to settle the dispute. What is the error here? What is your answer? What did you answer? Unless it is accepted to both the parties, an arbitrator would be of no use to settle this dispute. So you might have answered this already. So what should be the correction? So unless. Okay. So unless means if not. So it indicates negation. So unless what? Unless it is subject and verb accepted to both the parties. Are we talking this in passive voice or is it in active voice? It is in active voice, not passive voice. And here what do we require is an adjective, but accepted is a verb form. We already have an adjective form. So replace accepted with acceptable. So the right sentence is, unless it is acceptable to both the parties, an arbitrator would be of no use to settle this dispute. So the answer is option A. Right. Look at the question number 2. He was particularly emphatic about the importance of keeping the public informed to these developments. What is the error? What's your answer? It was particularly emphatic. Okay. Emphatic about, correct? The importance of keeping the public informed. So informed followed by to. Can inform followed by to? No, right? Yes, good. So here informed to is error. So informed about these developments. We should inform someone about something. So information is being shared. That means information is about something, about these developments. Right, not of. It should be about these developments. So replace to with about. So the answer is option C. Question number 3. We need to put on the squeeze those guys so that they finally pay their debt to us. What is the error? So we need, okay, so here need is acting as main verb, so followed by to infinitive, to put. That is also correct. Put on the squeeze those guys so that structure, okay, they finally pay their debt to us. See, when you read itself, you couldn't able to read it grammatically correct. If you have good reading skills, you'll find it difficult while you're reading this part B. Put on the squeeze those guys. Is it giving sense? No, right? So it is not giving correct sense. So what should be the correct sense? So put on the squeeze means to pressurize. That means to put pressure on someone. But the same thing is given, no? Yeah, same thing is given. But the position of the subject is incorrect. Here, in fact, it is object because we must put on what? Put on what? See, we need to put those guys on the squeeze or put on those guys the squeeze. It's not giving sense, right? So remember, whenever we indicate someone or something, that someone or something comes in between the phrasal verb. So we need to put those guys on the squeeze. That means put pressure on those guys. So bring this those guys after put. Is that clear, guys? So put on the squeeze is a right phrase, of course. But when you are expressing the object, putting on whom? Someone. So we need to put those guys on the squeeze. That means we have to pressurize them. Is that clear, guys? Right. You can also write it in this way. Put the squeeze on. That is also correct. You can write it. Put the squeeze on someone or something. So in that way, you have to bring this on after squeeze. We need to put the squeeze on those guys. So in both way, it is correct. Question number 4. Concurrent with this program, educational institutions may be urged to inculcate patriotism in each and every one of its pupils. So what is the error? Quick guys, what is the error and what should be the correction? Pupils is nothing but students. See, what is the subject here? Concurrent with this program, educational institutions may be urged. So here it is a verb. So what is the subject? Educational institutions. Is our subject singular or plural? Institutions, plural. So verb must be plural and the pronoun, if there is any, must be plural. So here what is the pronoun we got? It's. But we require a plural pronoun, that is their. So of course here it is acting as adjective. Whose pupils? Their pupils. Institutions, peoples. Did you understand that guys? Pupil is different, people is different. I already told you. Pupil means student. So the plural is pupils. People is plural of persons. So pupil is different, people is different. Do not get confused. Question number 5. Although the manager was keen on getting the work done through Ramesh yesterday, he tries to avoid it. What is the error? See, although the manager was keen, so it expresses, was expresses, the sentence is in past tense. And another time indicator we have here is yesterday. That means the sentence is in past tense. When sentence begin with past tense, entire sentence should be in past tense. But here what do we have? Tries, which is present. So we require past. So replace tries with tried. Right. Question number 6. You are kindly requested to appear in the examination on time. What is the error? We discussed something of same kind yesterday, right? So what should be the correction? You are kindly requested to appear in the examination on time. So what is the error and what should be the correct part? We have to omit kindly because kindly is an active form for requested. Already requested is there. You are requested. It is in passive voice. Here kindly became redundant. So omit kindly. Yesterday we have already discussed this one. Kindly and requested should not be used together because both indicate same meaning. But kindly should be used in active voice. Requested is used in passive voice. Right. 7. His idea of going to the picnic was universally accepted by all. What is the correction? His idea of going. So here universally is there, which means by all. Again by all became a redundant. So omit that by all. Is that clear? Question number 8. I asked my cousin brother to accompany me to Ladakh trip. What is the error and what should be the correction? Quick. See, the word cousin itself means brother or sister from other parents. So you should never use brother or sister with cousin. So what you have to do? Omit this brother. Is that clear guys? So do not ever use brother or sister with cousin. In the same way, many people do often use kitchen room. See, you generally say bedroom, right? So master bedroom, children bedroom, right? So will you say hall room? No. Then why do you say kitchen room? Kitchen itself is a room meant for cooking. So do not ever use kitchen room. And in the same way, it is inappropriate and informal to say family members. We often do use this one. Family members, right? But remember, it is not the correct way. It should be the members of the family or my family, whatever you mean. So do not ever use family members. It should be members of the family. So do remember, no room without our kitchen, and no brother or sister with cousin, and no family members. It is informal. It should be members of the family. Right? Question number 9. You are kindly requested to complete your assignment before Monday, otherwise the project will be delayed. So same kind of thing. So you are kindly requested. Already we have requested, and the sentence is in passive voice. R plus V3, passive voice. So what we have to do? We have to omit that kindly. Understand? Because kindly and requested are redundant. Both are same. But in the previous one, accepted is verb, whereas universally is adverb. That's the reason we are not omitting there. But here both are same. So we have to omit kindly. Question number 10. Supposing if you were the president of India, what you would have done to tackle the problem of poverty? What is your answer? What did you answer, guys? Supposing if you were the president of India, what you would have done to tackle the problem of poverty? If you look at the sentence, what do we have? Supposing if you were the president of India. See, if itself gives the sense of imaginary, because here we have were, right? That means we are supposing. So it doesn't mean that you require to use supposing again. So here this is redundant. Omit that supposing, because if plus simple past with past subjunctive followed by would plus V1. So here what do we have? If plus simple past. If I were you, if you were the prime minister, if you were the president, or if you were the prime minister, what you would have done? Would plus have plus done. So this is another usage of imaginary condition with present scenario, as it is expressing the possibility. Is that clear? So it's better to omit supposing, because already we have if. If is not there, then you can use suppose you were the president, then it is correct. But here we have if already. So better omit that. Is that clear? If you were the prime minister. Here you can say what you would do. Right. In that way, you could able to answer. Question number 11. All the successful people have encountered a lot of problems during their period of struggle. What is the era? Quick. All the successful people have encountered a lot of problems during their period of struggle. What was your answer? What did you answer? See guys, here we have during. During means what? During means the whole specified period of time. The meaning of during is the whole specified period. Okay, period or time or period of time. Now, when you say during, again you are using period of. Do you think it is necessary? No, right? Does it become redundant? Yes, it became redundant. So what we have to do? We have to omit this period of. Is that clear? So during their struggle. Is that clear, guys? So remember that already we have during, so we cannot use again period of, because during means the whole specified period of time. Question number 12. Rohit met with an accident while returning back from college. What is the error and what should be the correct one? See, the word return means to come back. Return itself gives the sense of to come back. Again, this back, no, not required. So omit that back. It should be returned from college. So he is hated by everyone for being a coward man. What is the error and what should be the correction? See, coward itself a man who is not brave. If you write man with covered, again man becomes redundant. So what we have to do? We have to omit man. Is that clear? So for being a coward. For being a coward. Is that clear, guys? 14. No one reached at a mutual agreement, although the meeting lasted for 2 hours. What is the error? See, guys, no one reached at. So reached followed by at. That is correct there. There is no error in the first part. No one reached at. All right. What? A mutual agreement. What is meant by agreement? Agreement happens mutually, right? A contract between two people. That means a contract took place mutually is called agreement. Already agreement is there. Again mutual? No, mutual became redundant, right? So mutual agreement cannot be written together because agreement itself means something happened mutually, a contract happened mutually. So what we have to do? We have to omit this mutually. And why are we omitting a? Because agreement. So what do we require? An agreement, not a agreement. Do you understand that? So omit that a mutual and put an agreement. Manoj was sad because he could not attain passing marks in the semester exam. What is the error? So here we do not generally say passing marks. We say pass marks. So replace passing with pass. Marks is noun, we require adjective. Pass is adjective here. What we require, not passing. So we don't require inform. 16. The thieves had fled away with all the money before the police arrived. What is the error and what should be the correction? See, the verb flee means ran away. Okay, already away is there in flee itself. Flee, fled, past form. Okay, so had fled, of course. Here V3, V1, V2, V3. Had fled, okay, V3 correct. Away, already away is there in flee. So away became redundant. So what we have to do? Omit that away. Is that clear, guys? Because flee means ran away. Question number 17. She was not bringing some food to the party. What is the error and what should be the correction? So here the sentence is positive or negative? Will not. It is negative. Remember, when the sentence is negative, we should not use some. Some is an adjective qualifying food. So it comes under adjective of quantity. So food, uncountable, some and any. So some is used in positive sentences and any is used in negative and interrogative sentences. However, there are exceptions. Do refer to adjectives chapter. You will get to know about this with more examples. Remember, generally some is used in positive sentences, any is used in negative and interrogative sentences, but there are some exceptions where we can use instead of some we use any, some positive, any negative and interrogative, but we can also use some in some interrogative sentences. That is the exception that you please refer to adjectives chapter, so you can go through good examples too. Right, so what you have to do, replace some with any food, because we have a negative sentence here. Question number 18, there are few information that I can give you. Sorry, there is few information that I can give you. What is the error and what should be the correction? Guys, look at this. Here what do we have? Information. Information is an uncountable noun. For uncountable nouns, we have to use adjectives of that type, that is adjective of quantity. Here few is an adjective of number, indefinite numeral adjective, which should not be used with uncountable nouns. So what we have to do, we have to replace few with adjective of quantity, that is little. And what is there? There is information that I can give you. That means information is there or not there. So you better use there is a little information that I can give you. So replace few with a little or whatever you have to correct there itself. Is that clear? Little or a little. Question number 19. I think it is quite right if you stay there for one more week. I think it is quite all right if you stay there for one more week. What is the error? What should be the correction? See here, stay where? There. You should know the difference between there, there, there. See here, there is a place, it denotes place, whereas there is a possessive pronoun, or we can also take as possessive adjective for third person plural. Are we talking about a place here or possession of something? We're talking about place. So replace there with there. Question number 20. There are only less cookies left now. What is the error and what should be the correction? See, cookies, countable. Right, it is a countable noun. So for countable noun, we have to use adjectives of number, not adjectives of quantity. And cookies are there, right? Only, that means there are some. So in that meaning, we have to use a few. So replace less with a few. Question number 21. What kind of a friend are you who is not ready to help your friend in need? What is the error? Here it is not in question. So here it is in a question. So in question, the order should be verb plus subject plus object plus question mark. If it has two verbs, that is auxiliary verb and main verb, then the order is auxiliary verb plus subject plus main verb plus object plus question mark. So here it is a question. So are you? So who is not ready to help? So it is okay, because here who is acting as relative. You can take that way. So the reason is we're talking about kind. So kind of, sort of, are not followed by at articles. So kind of plus noun, sort of plus noun. Hence, you have to remove this article. So omit article A. What kind of friend are you? Kind of friend, sort of friend. So this is the reason. And remember the structure of questions. I was happy to see that there were few students in the class ready to volunteer for the event. What is the error? What is the error? I was happy to see that there were few students in the class ready to volunteer for the exam, for the event. See guys, I told you the difference between little, few, as well as the differences among few, of few, the few, little, a little, the little, right? So remember that here we require a positive sense, happy, that means positive. So if few means what? Almost not. If almost no, that means almost no, zero, will I be happy? No, I'll be sad. That means we require a positive sense. So place a few students. She will not be having some garments for the party. Quick, what is the error? And what should the correction? She will not be having some garments for the party. One, here the sentence is negative, so we have to replace some with any. But there is one more thing you have to do here. See, I told you 5 types of verbs which cannot be used in continuous tense. Did you remember? Verbs of perception, verbs of thought process, verbs of appearance, and verbs of possession. So here, these 5 types of verbs cannot be used in continuous tense. Now I'm going to talk about verbs of possession. So possession means ownership. So the verbs like have, possess, own, belong, be except in passive voice, cannot be used in continuous. Many are there, right? Now if you look at this, what do we have? She will not be having. That means we are talking about possession, no? Right? So can we use it in continuous tense with the same meaning? Here the meaning is possess. So can we use it in continuous tense with the same meaning? No, we cannot use it. That means using of having is absolutely incorrect. But here we can't correct it because B is in one part, having is in another part. If B is not there, you better make it she will not have some garments. That is okay. But you cannot correct in two parts. However, you have to find the error here. So replace some with any. But remember, grammatically this sentence is incorrect because we require have and we have to should eliminate. We also should eliminate B because B have will not come. She will not have some garments for the party. That is okay. You understand? Is it clear? 24. All these mangoes are ripe. So see, if you build reading skills, that what happens? You cannot make it incorrect, right? So it should be all these, not these all. Okay, all these. So replace these all with all these mangoes are ripe. Here, ripe is acting as adjective, not verb. So no need to correct there. Question number 25. It is necessary that you perform well, but we might have to fail you. There is error. Exactly, right. So what is the error and what should be the correction? See, it is necessary that, what is necessary? That you perform well. It is necessary that you perform well. But we might have to fail you. If you perform well, why we might have to fail you? It is not the correct conjunction. But is not the correct conjunction. So good guys. Here we should replace but with else or. It is necessary that you perform well or we might have to fail you, or else we might have to fail you. So here we are talking about a condition kind. So it is not a contrast kind. Is that clear, guys? The blinds deserve our sympathy. What is the error? So the sentence the blinds. Remember, I already told you, if you add article the to an adjective, it becomes nouns with that quality. Right. So article the plus adjective gives the sense of nouns with that quality. Like the plus rich. The rich means what? People who are rich. Right. Now here already the rich means plural. The blinds, no, it is inappropriate. So do not pluralize that adjective. Adjective cannot be pluralized. Even though it became noun, it cannot be pluralized. We cannot have possession. So replace the blinds with the blind. Ravi and me are like brothers, but from different mothers. What is the error? Here, the error is with the usage of objective case in subject. So replace me with I, Ravi and I, because here it is in subject. After that we have verb. So it should be in subjective case. I is subjective case, me is objective case. So what we require is subjective case. So replace me with I. 28. Vinita has not completed her graduation, isn't it? What is the error? So the sentence, the error is related to question tags. Guys, the question tag is nothing but the tag part after the sentence. Like, I am speaking with them. Now, what should be the question tag here? See, the simple rule is if the sentence is positive, the question tag or the tag part should be in negative. If the sentence is negative, the tag part should be in positive. Here, the sentence is positive. Am speaking. So, the tag part should be negative. Aren't I? You cannot write amn't I. Amn't I is not there. It's inappropriate. Aren't I? Now, here if you look at this, Vinita has not completed her graduation. Here the sentence is negative. That means we require a positive question tag. And how to make question tag? We do not make question tag like whatever you want. We make question tag by taking the auxiliary verb form and the pronoun form of the subject. Subject is Vinita. Vinita is a girl. Girl means we require she. And here we have has, not, but we require positive. So has she? Replace isn't it with has she. Is that clear? We discuss question tag concept too in the future classes. No sooner did the deer come out of the bush when the hunter killed it. Guys, here you should mind the spelling. It is not deer, it is deer. Okay, so we know the structure is no sooner followed by than, because sooner is a comparative form. But what do we have here? When. When is not for sooner. When is for the adverbs hardly and scarcely. They are followed by when. No sooner is followed by than. So replace when with than. Question number 30. going there will not resolve this complicated problem. It's really too odd to read that, isn't it? So, I going there will not resolve this complicated problem. What is the error? See, going is a gerund. Before gerund, what do we have here? Pronoun. The pronoun should be in possessive case. So now read it. My going there, this is a subject, will not resolve this complicated problem. Now it is giving the correct sense, right? So replace I with my. Question number 31. Being a very hot day, I remained indoors. What is the error? Why do we require to use it before being? Why it is it being a very hot day? Why not being a hot day? See guys, when a sentence begins with being like this, generally it carries two clauses. One, being a very hot day is one clause. Second clause, I remained indoors. Now look at this one. The second class subject is I. If the second class subject is same as the object of the first class, if the second class subject is same as the object of the first class, then you don't need to place any pronoun. Because if you do not place, what happens? Being a very hot day, I remained indoors. Who is being a very hot day? I. Am I a hot day? No, but it is giving that sense. In order to remove that sense, we require to place an indefinite pronoun. What is that indefinite pronoun? It. So it is placed before being in order to make the sense, of course, dazzling modifiers, you can say. So that sense is required. It being a hot day, very hot day. Otherwise, being a very hot day, I am being a hot day. No, I'm not a hot day, right? So the sense is different. So remember. Now look at this one. Being a well-known cartoonist, he was invited to the seminar. What is the error here? What is the error here? Being a well-known cartoonist, he was invited to the seminar. What is the error, guys? There is no error because, as I told you, here the subject of the second clause and the object of the being is same. Who is that well-known cartoonist? He only know. Well-known cartoonist is he only know. So you no need to place any pronoun. If you place, that is error. You cannot say he being a well-known cartoonist, he was invited. That is absolutely mistake. So you must understand the sense here. Here, remember, the second class subject and the object of being, if both are same, we don't need to put any pronoun, but here they are different, hence we have to use indefinite pronoun. It's not required. It being can also be used. So however, sometimes you can also go with that way. Okay, do you understand this? There is no question of my failing in the exam. What is the error? Guys, the error is with option B. The error is with option B. The answer is of my failure should be, of my failing should be replaced with my failure, because as Navyasri rightly told, of expresses possession. So again, my is again a possessive adjective, right? So in fact, here it is not necessary to use my because of is there. And And another way of doing is, whenever there is gerund, if there is a pronoun, we definitely require possessive. But already preposition is expressing possession, so we cannot use. Or you can also write it as me failing. This is also people are taking, but I wish you do it in that way, my failure, because that expresses noun form. Okay, so you can go with that way, or you can also go with me failing. So go with me failing or my failure, because you cannot go with gerund plus possession, or it can not go with of plus possession. Both become redundant there. So you can go with me failing or my failure. Do you understand, guys? So you can replace my failing with my failure or me failing. Do you understand? In both ways you can take one. Both are correct ways. So the answer is option B. Now look at the next one. The CVC inquired for a corruption case. What is the error? You know CVC, right? So the error is with option B and with the preposition, but the preposition which you are using is not appropriate. See, inquire into is a right phrasal verb, which means officially investigating something. Okay, so replace for with into. Do you understand that? So the CVC inquired into a corruption case. Question number 34. Ravi has not been present in English class since 1 month. What is the error? See, has not been. It is a perfect tense. Right? Hence we have since. But since is for point of time. But what do we have here? 1 month. 1 month is a period of time. So we have to replace since with for 1 month, because 1 month is a period of time. So for is used for period of time. So replace since with for. Next one. Speaking hastily makes us judgmental. That's where we begin making boundaries and go back with a very boxed idea of the place and people one visit. What is the error? So the error is with option C. Yet one is there. One is singular. That means we require a singular verb. So it should be visits, not visit. Is that clear, guys? So one visits is the answer. Question number 36. This is a most interesting book I have ever read. What is the error? Quick. This is a most interesting book I have ever read. Quick. What is the error and what should be the correction? So most expresses superlative. Before superlative degree adjective, we should definite article the. Before superlative degree adjective, we should place definite article the. So replace with the. The most interesting book. I hope it is clear, guys. Before superlative degree adjective, remember to place definite article the, not indefinite article. 37. He was surprised as well as pleased with her performance. What is the error? Question number 37. Surprised is followed by preposition at. So place at before surprise. He was surprised at as well as pleased with her performance. Pleased is followed by with, guys. Pleased is followed by with. Surprise is followed by at. 38. If you don't get some sleep when you go to home, you won't be able to relieve me tonight. What is the error? See, go should not be followed by any preposition, especially to when the object is home. So I told you go is not followed by preposition to when the object is home, abroad, in, out, inside, outside, upstairs, downstairs. I have given you 8 words, right? So what you have to do? Omit 2. Go home, not go to home. Question number 39. Eyewitnesses said that the military police still exchanged fires with the attackers on last night. What is the error? So we are talking about some eyewitnesses, what they said. Eyewitnesses said that the military police still exchanged fires with the attackers on last night. What is the error and what should be the correction? Quick. See, we should not use any preposition here. See, with the attackers, when last night, the also not required. Kavya, do not place article also. So before last night, last day, tonight, tomorrow, night, or tomorrow's night. You can also take yesterday, the last day. So before this, we should not place any prepositions. So no preposition should be preceded by last day, tonight, tomorrow's night, yesterday, etc. So what you have to do? Omit on and do not place article also. Here exchanged fires in the sense not fire, they mean shooting, that fire. Okay, it is not the fire of burning, we're talking about shooting. So fire it, we'll generally say no, shoot, fire, right, that fires. Now that is correct, that's the reason. 40th, she did die without specifying her heads of those 7 trusts. Quick, what is the error? Guys, did die is nothing but died only, no? See, here, she died without specifying her age. We are not talking about possession there. Dash those 7 trusts. So, age for what? 2. Age to those 7 trusts. What you have to do? Replace off with 2. We are not giving possession. We are talking about 2 trusts are there. 7 trusts are there. For 7 trusts, who are the heads? She didn't specify. So she did die. Did plus V1 is correct only there. So aids, because not one, guys, more than one. Aids. You know, right? So aid singular, aids plural. Aids is correct. Aids to those 7 trusts. So replace off with 2. Next, question number 41. Since the Smiths are very religious, they always try to conform with the practices of their faith. What is the error? So here conform with is incorrect. Conform to. That means conform means what here? You should know the difference between CONFORM, CONFIRM. What's the difference between conform and conform? Conform means you should conform to the rules and regulations. Abide by or stick to. Or stick to. Or you can also say practice what is being said. Okay. Whereas conform means make sure of. Right. So here we are talking about conforming to the practices. That means abiding by the practices, sticking to those practices. So what do you require? Replace with 2. 42. Look at this. We want to open doors for people with disabilities to travel the way they wanted. What is the error? Want to open doors for people with disabilities to travel the way they wanted. The sentence is in which tense? Want, means it is present tense. So now it is, right? So entire sentence should be in present tense. So replace wanted with want, because present, if past they wanted, how can they travel if they open the doors present, right? Sense. So replace wanted with want, same tense, remember. Also, as an artist, the more you contemplate the nature, the more you understand that there is another universe where we are superfluous. What is the era? Also, as an artist, okay, the more you contemplate in nature, the more, okay. So I told you in degrees of comparison, they are in proportionality. So double comparative. The more you contemplate in nature, the more you understand that what? There is another universe where we are superfluous. So there is no error. So the answer is option D, no error. 44. As I was a practicing artist, I could come to the city and show my work at Kumar Gallery with other major artists. What is the error? The error is with part C, with the usage of artist. Here you should know the difference between artist and artist only, not artisty. Here this E is silent, this I should be pronounced a little longer. Artist, artiste. So who is an artist? One who use imaginary skills. One who uses creative skills to do something. One who uses creative skills to do something. Whereas artist is a professional singer, a professional dancer. So, in short, we can say one who performs, a performer, right? Here we are talking about whom? Are we talking about a performer? As I was a practicing artist, not I was a practicing artist. Here the speaker claiming him as a creative, imaginative art, one who possesses the creative or imaginative art, one who uses his imagination to do something. So that is artist. So practicing artist, and another clue what we have here is Kumar Gallery. That means he is an artist. Right. Now, in that sense, he's talking about and show my work at Kumar Gallery with other major. He's an artist, so they also must be artists. I hope it is clear. So the difference between artist and artist. Next, not only did they offer him good salary, but provided him a beautiful bungalow. What is the error? Not only. So what should be the structure? Not only, but also. But what is there? Only but is there. But expresses contrast. But that is not the right usage. We require also. Not only did they offer him good salary, but also provided him with a beautiful bungalow. So that is a correction. So remember the pair. Not only, you cannot go with but also. So this is the correct pair. So replace that. Question number 46. I finished my household chores before he reached to my place after so long. What is the error? See, there are two clauses. I finished my household chores before he reached. So there are two actions, two clauses. What is the first action? Finishing is first action. Second action is reaching. So second action is in simple past. So first action must be in which clause? Which tense? It must be in past perfect. When two actions took place in the past. Remember, actions took place in the past. First action, second action. First action must be in past perfect. Second action must be in simple past. Second action is in simple past, but first action is not in past perfect. So what we have to do? Place had. Had plus V3. Had finished. Right? 47. I'm vexed at him for what he has done with us till date. Quick, what is the error? So the error is with the uses of preposition at after vexed. That is inappropriate. Vexed should be followed by with. I'm vexed with him, with the persons, at the things. Remember, so with persons, vexed with him. So replace at with. Question number 48. The manager warned his team members that if they persist in their obstructionist attitude, they would be punished. What is the error? See, in indirect speech, when you convert a question from direct to indirect, that too yes or no questions, remember they should take if or whether. And that if or whether are not preceded by that. Generally, we use conjunction that in indirect speech while we convert direct to indirect. In most of the assertive sentences, you might have seen that. But here, the usage of that is mistake. So omit that. Persist can take on if it is on in here in their obstructionist attitude. If it is on, we require a gerund. Persist on doing, persist on asking. But here there is no gerund, so here persist in is correct. Most of you are commenting that is not the error. Question number 49. He did not go to the hospital on foot. He went there by the car. What is the error? Here we are saying on foot and by the car. Which car? Are we specifying here? No, right? So we are not specifying or particularizing. So omit article before car. 50. The president is looking for a military strategist to advise on the best way to end the war. What is the error? The president is looking for a military strategist to advise on the best way to end the war. What is the error and what should be the correction? Here again the usage of preposition. Advise on something is okay, but here we are talking about looking for a military strategist to advise of. Here we require preposition of because here the sense is to officially tell someone of something. In that sense, we require advice of, right? So replace on with of. Question number 51. The little boy let go of his balloon and watched it to drift up into the sky. What is the error? We cannot use into here. Never go with the uses of into. We cannot say into the sky. We can say in the sky. So here drift is there, drift up, and here into is inappropriate usage. So we cannot use into. Drift up in the sky, or drift up the sky. Did you understand, guys? So we cannot go with into. We can say in the sky. In the sky is correct, but here into is there, it is incorrect. And one more thing is, here we have phrasal verb drift up. What here may drift up? To move aimlessly. So to move aimlessly where? In the sky. So replace into with in. So in the sky, not into the sky. Is that clear, guys? 52. The ex-MLA asked as if he has already been elected to the presidency. What is the error? The ex-MLA talked as if. How he talked? As if. We have here adverbial clause of manner. He has already been elected to the presidency. So there is an error, right? As if is there, adverbial clause of manner. Then it is not true. Imaginary. That means we require to go with past form. So here he had already been elected. Okay, otherwise you can go with simple past. He already been, but here been is there, so we require had been. So replace has with had. Everyone knows that the Shiromani Akali Dal and the Congress have been working hand to glove for decades while AAP emerged from hesitation. What is the error? Here we are talking about political parties and how they are working. If you know the correct phrases, phrases if you have learned, it should be hand in glove, not hand to glove, which means to work closely or in close association. So replace to with in, hand in glove. 54. He described about his training routine and academy experiences in a letter to his parents. What is the error? Question number 54. The word describe itself means tell about something. Okay. And writing about after describe is redundant. So what we have to do? Omit about. 55. The population of Seattle has stayed around 500,000, broadly comparing to that of Glasgow. What is the error? So here it should be in present tense because here has stayed. Right. It is in past. Is it past or present? Present perfect. Has stayed till now. Present perfect. Now compare. How can you go with the ing form without any auxiliary verb? Can we? No. So it should be in simple present. Compare. So replace comparing with compare, not compared. Many people are going with compared. No. So here that expresses population of. So you no need to go with the Glasgow's again. 56. The teacher scolded him always because he rarely reached school on time. What is the error here? Here, always is an adverb of frequency. Remember, adverbs of frequency must be placed before the verb they qualify, not after the verb. So bring it before scolded. The teacher always scolded him because he rarely reached school on time. You cannot go with present, guys. Scolded, because here we have reached, past only. Right. Question number 57. It is a common misconception that every policeman badly behaves with the citizens. Quick, what is error? Is adverb of manner. Previously we have seen adverb of frequency, but here what do we have? Adverb of manner. Remember, adverb of manner, adverb of time and adverb of place must be placed after the verb they qualify. So put badly after behaves. So how he behaved? Policeman behaves badly. Is that clear? So here the answer should be behaves badly. 58. She yesterday came to meet you, but you were not present. Just now I told you. Adverb of manner, adverb of place, and adverb of time must be placed after the verb or after the object. If object is there, they qualify. Here yesterday is an adverb of time. It expresses time. So we have to put it after verb. She came yesterday to meet you, but you were not present. 59. Simran danced in the college function elegantly yesterday. What is the error? Simran, subject, danced, verb. In the college function is not object. It is additional information. How she danced? Elegantly. So this elegantly must be placed after danced. Is that clear? So Simran danced elegantly. I hope it is clear. 60. As I had been very bad with calculations, she asked me to carefully solve the questions. What is the error? Do not ever split to infinitive. It should never be split. But what is there here? To carefully solve. Carefully is splitting our to infinitive, which is wrong. So to solve carefully. I hope it is clear. To solve the questions carefully. Okay, you can put it at the end. To solve the questions. How? Carefully. Bring it at the end. 61. Please listen to the announcement with carefully, said the manager. What is the error? Please listen to the announcement. How? Carefully. Here, with is inappropriate. So omit with if you want to make it adverb. Or if you want an adjective, please listen to the announcement with care. That is okay. But here with carefully, no. Remember, adverbs are never preceded by prepositions. Is that clear? Adverbs are not preceded by prepositions. Keep that in mind. So omit with. No sooner the train reached at the station than the passengers began to occupy their seats. What is the error? I told you whenever sentence started with no sooner, hardly, scarcely, they should be followed by an auxiliary verb. Then subject, next main verb, object and follows. Then plus next clause. Right. Then where is that auxiliary verb? We don't have auxiliary verb, but we must have auxiliary verb. You can write it like no sooner had the train reached, or you can make it no sooner did the train reach, because did plus V1. Either you can write in simple past or past perfect, because it is in the same part A only, right? 63. Seldom one will decide that war with a friend's nation is the only recourse. What is the error? Seldom one will decide that war with a friend's nation is the only recourse. What is the error? Here, will decide is there, which is simple future. Here, is there, which is simple present. So, it is not giving a correct sense according to the tense. Seldom, that means very rarely one will decide. Are we talking about future event? No, right? We are not talking about future event. So, it cannot be in simple future. So, here, seldom is there. Just like no sooner, hardly, scarcely, whenever sentence begins with seldom, also it should be followed by auxiliary verb. Next, subject and follows. But here auxiliary verb is not there, but we must place auxiliary verb. So it also must be converted into simple present. In simple present means subject plus V1 plus object. What can be the auxiliary verbs we can use in simple present? Do or does. Here can we use do or does? One is there, does. So place does here. Seldom does one decide is correct. So omit this will and place does after seldom. Is that clear? Am I clear to you guys? Seldom also must be followed by auxiliary verb when it begins a sentence. So seldom, as it is in present tense, we require do forms as auxiliary verbs. Seldom does one decide, because does is there, so decide is correct only. 64. Only after a year he recovered from the coma. What is the error? See, so far whatever we are talking, like no sooner, hardly, scarcely, seldom, right? And in our 63rd question we got seldom, and here only after, right? These are called sentences in inversion. These are called sentences in inversion. So with these inverse sentences, when sentences are in inversion, remember every time they must be followed by auxiliary verb. When sentences are in inversion, these structures must be followed by auxiliary verb. So only after a year he recovered is there. It is in past. In past, auxiliary verb is did. So did plus V1. Did he recover? Remember, sentences are in inversion. So when sentences are in inversion, they must be followed by auxiliary verb. So as it is in past, did plus V1. Did he recover is a correct one. Take a screenshot and try to learn some more of sentences in inversion. Quick. Let me give some more to this. Only then, only after, last month or last year, etc. So with this, you must follow inversion method. Okay. Question number 65. I did not participate in the function. She did. She neither did. So what is the error? I did not participate in the function. She neither did. What is the error? See, again, it also comes under inversion. Second clause, if you see, first clause is okay. I did not participate in a function. Second clause must go with neither, because here we are emphasizing here, hence we require inversion. So neither did she. So replace the position of she, because it comes under again inversion. So almost we have seen 5 to 6 sentences on inversion, guys. Try to dig in more into inversion. Question number 66. Not only has invested in share market, but also in various policies. What is the error? Not only is there, but also. So remember the correlative conjunctions we have discussed. Correlative conjunctions, 3 points I told you with correlative conjunctions. Correlative conjunctions. First thing, they're always used in pairs. Is the pair correct or not? Not only, but also correct. Second thing, they're always followed by same parts of speech. Third thing, they follow principle of proximity. So these 3 points must be there in your mind every time whenever you have seen correlative conjunction. Here, first thing, okay. Next thing, not only he, but also in. But also is followed by preposition, whereas not only is followed by pronoun, which is incorrect. It should be in same parts of speech. After but also there is no other pronoun. Now after but also there is no pronoun, hence after not only there should be a preposition. Where is that? Here there is a preposition. That means he has invested, this part must be present, placed before not only. See, he has invested not only in share market but also in various policies. Now the sentence is with correct structure of same parts of speech, right? I will make the payment either in cash, else through check. What is the error? Again, correlative conjunction you have, right? So when correlative conjunction is there, immediately you have to strike that. Pays. Either. We have either. Should be followed by or. Where is or? There is no or. That means the structure has error with the pair. So here else is there. Else is not the correct usage. Or either in cash or through check. Is that clear, guys? 68. Although Manoj was a poor farmer, yet he was happy in his life. What is the error? Again, the error is with the usage of conjunction. Although Manoj was a poor farmer, yet he was happy in his life. Sentence begin with although. Remember, whenever we use although to connect two clauses, although is not followed by another conjunction. You should avoid double conjunctions. So, although takes a comma, not any other conjunction. Remember, although is followed by a comma. If it is though takes at. Okay, and even though also followed by comma. So though takes at according to British English. According to American English, though doesn't take at also. It also takes comma. But what do we have here? At is there. So in place of at, what do we require? comma. So replace at with comma. Take 69. Hardly did I reach the platform when the train left. Have been telling you this so far. See, when did is there in a sentence, remember, did is always followed by V1. Not only did, even do also. Do plus V1 only. Does plus V1 only. For example, she did complete it. That means she completed it. Okay. In the same way, I do complete it. Do plus V1. Next, he does complete it. That means he completes it. Whenever you use do forms, remember the main verb should be in V1. But here what do you have? Did is there, reached is there, which is V2. So replace V2 with V1. Reach. Is that clear, guys? Question number 70. Scarcely had I left my home than it started to rain. We have discussed this. Sentence started with scarcely, all right, followed by auxiliary verb, correct. Next subject, next verb in V3, object. But scarcely is followed by what here? Can it take than? No, scarcely is followed by when. So replace than with when. Question number 71. Which dress is best of the two that I have shown you? How many dresses do we have here? Two. When there are two things, which degree shall we use? Positive, comparative or superlative? Positive is for one, comparative is for two, superlative more than two. Here two are there. That means we require to use comparative. The comparative form for good is better, good, better, best. So replace best with better. Is that clear? 72. It had been a delightful discovery on their wedding night that she has been frightened and unsure. Look at the sentence. Sentence begin with, here sentence began with had been, had plus V3. That means it is in which tense? Past perfect. All right, a delightful discovery on their wedding night. What is the discovery? That she has been. Has means which tense? Present tense, but we require past tense. So she had been frightened and unsure. So replace has with had. 73. Across his morning walk on a beach in Mamallapuram, Prime Minister Modi was seen picking up plastic litter, bottles and other items. What is the error here? Across his morning walk on a beach in Mamallapuram, Prime Minister Modi was seen picking litter, plastic litter, bottles and other items. See, we are not talking about crossing something across the morning walk. Can we say across before morning walk? No, right? It is inappropriate. So people are asking how it is had plus been past perfect. Guys, had plus V3 is past perfect. So be been, V3 of be is been. So that is correct. Is that clear, Manoj? So the error is with the usage of across here. Then what to place in place of across? What to use to replace across? We are talking about morning walk, and in that time he has done some work. So what we have to use? We have to use during, because whole specified period of time, and this kind of activity has a name. 74. Flogging is an international trend in which someone picking up trash while jogging or brisk walking. So the word is flogging. So picking up litter or any kind of dust, trash or something. So that while doing jogging or brisk walking is called flogging. Here we are defining the flogging here. Flogging is what? Is an international trend in which someone, are we telling in continuous? No, it is in simple present. Someone, third person singular. So, someone picks up trash. So, replace picking up with picks up. 75. We watched the workman to repair tiles of the kitchen. What is the error? We watched the workman to repair the tiles of the kitchen. Remember, if you know causative verb, you'll understand this. Causative verb is a verb which causes another action to happen. Right. Now, watch is a causative verb. Here, watched is acting as a causative verb. See that another action which is happen should be in bare infinitive. It should not be a to infinitive. It should be a bare infinitive. Bare infinitive means only V1, not 2 plus V1. So what you have to do? You have to omit 2. Like, let him do it, not let him to do, because here let is acting as causative verb. Here it is causative verb. It is causing another action, that is do. That is in V1, which is a bare infinitive. Remember this one. A large section of a hotel under construction collapsed in New Orleans last Saturday. So we are talking about the action, something happened last Saturday. That means the sentence should be in which tense? Last Saturday is a time indicator of simple past tense. So a large section of hotel under construction, here is a verb which should be in past, that is V2, collapsed in New Orleans last Saturday. Question number 77. In about 2 weeks, our holidays will start. What is the error? In about 2 weeks, our holidays will start. So we are talking about the future event. So it should be in simple future. Okay, will start about 2 weeks. That is all correct. So the answer is option B, no error. There is no error in the sentence. The sentence is correct as it is. Look at question number 78. My mother speaks in so a low voice that it is difficult to understand what she is saying. What is the error? My mother speaks in so a low voice that it is difficult. See, the sentence seems correct but is incorrect. So that structure, no, that is correct, no, of course, but there are such structures many. Not only so that, when do we use so that? So that is used to express purpose. We also have such that. When do we use it? When one action is the consequence of the other. If one action is a consequence of the other, we use such that. So what we have to do? We have to replace so with such. Do you understand why it is? So that is for purpose, such that is for one action is a consequence of the other. So replace so that with such that. 79. The prices of tomatoes has soared up to 65 to 70 rupees per kg in many parts of the country. What is the error here? See, we are talking about how many commodities here? How many items are we talking? How many kinds of items at least? We're talking about only one, that is tomato. See, when we are talking about only one kind, you cannot go with the prices. One kind means it should be price, not prices. So replace prices with price, because one kind, if you're talking about different kinds, you can say the price is of, right? The Jammu and Kashmir administration has withdraw the advisory asking tourists to cut short their visit to Kashmir. What is the error? It's very clear. We have the structural error with tense. The Jammu and Kashmir administration, singular, so has withdrew. Is it correct? No. Here withdrew is in V2 form, but we require V3 form. So what is the V3 form of withdrew? Withdrawn. So replace withdrew with withdrawn. So remember the conjugation: draw, drew, and drawn. Withdraw, withdrew, withdrawn. Look at the question number 81. The government is setting up a special surveillance cell for epidemic prone diseases at flood ravaged Bihar. What is the error here? The government is setting up a special surveillance cell for epidemic prone diseases at flood ravaged Bihar. See, Bihar is a state. So, can we use at before states? No. At is used before small places, villages, right? Hamlets, geographical divisions, exact place. But here we are talking about a state. So, replace at with in. 82. With food granaries overflowing, the government is looking to liquidate his grain stock to prevent damage. With food granaries overflowing, the government, that is additional information, you take it, the government is looking to liquidate his grain stock to prevent damage. Government is a person, no, right? So it is a body. So we cannot use his or her there. We have to take a neutral pronoun. Its grain stock. So replace is with its. See the next one, question number 83. After 2 months, the phone signals were back at the valley. What is the error? Quick, guys. After 2 months, the phone signals were back at the valley. See, just like the states, when we are talking about valleys also, we cannot use at. We should replace at with in the valley. 84. The letter was posting yesterday by my brother. So this has no sense, looks so nonsense, right? So here the letter was posting yesterday by my brother. It is in which voice? What is the tense? It looks so absurd. By my brother, passive. The letter was, something is done to subject. That means subject is a receiver, object is a doer. That means it is in passive voice. In passive voice, main verb must be always in V3. Remember, in passive voice, the main verb must be always in V3. Hence, replace posting with posted. The letter was posted yesterday by my brother. Look at this. Sourav Ganguly have emerged as the new president of the BCCI after a night-long discussion? It's very easy. You can answer very quickly. What is the subject? Saurav Ganguly. Is it singular or plural? Obviously it is singular. So we require a singular verb. Has, not plural verb have. Hence replace have with has. Need you to buy so many books? What is the era? Remember modal auxiliaries? In that semi-modal auxiliaries, which can act as both main verbs and auxiliary verbs? Need and dare act as semi-modal auxiliaries. That means they can act as both auxiliary verbs and main verbs. If they act as auxiliary verbs, they must be followed by main verbs, and that main verb will be in V1 form. But if they act as main verbs, that means especially with the structure of do plus, that means another auxiliary, need or dare. Do plus need or dare, that means do and dare are acting as main verbs, do and dare, then that do and dare are followed by to infinitive. So this is another structure when they act as main verbs. Here they act as main verbs, but here they act as auxiliary verbs. Now here you have to check whether need is acting as main verb or auxiliary verb. See, here it is a question. What type of question? Yes or no question, which is also called auxiliary question, where auxiliary verb starts a sentence. Right. That means here need is acting as auxiliary verb. That means it should be followed by bare infinitive, not to infinitive. Hence, omit to before by. Is that clear, guys? 87. If he wants to recover, he must abstain for alcohol. What is the era? The era is with the uses of preposition. Remember, abstain means refrain. Abstain means to refrain from something. Abstain means to refrain, to stop doing. Remember, abstain is always followed by preposition from. Refrain also followed by preposition from only. Right, but what is there here? For. So replace for with from. We will have to walk now since we had missed the bus. What is the era? What is the tense and what is the construction of sentence? Question number 88. We will have to walk. That means will have, will plus V1, simple future. It is in simple future. We will have to walk. It is main clause. Since we had missed, that is subordinate clause. How can you go with past perfect? Not possible. Past perfect. It should be in present perfect at least, because now we have missed. So since we have missed the bus, so replace had with have. 89. These facts should not have been disclosed for the public. What is the error? You know very well. Disclose must be followed by to. Disclose to, not for. Hence, what you have to do? Replace for with to. These facts should not have been disclosed to the public. He wouldn't let anyone to drive his new car. What is the error? I already told you. Let act as, let acts as causative verb, and it is followed by another verb because it causes another action. That another verb must be a bare infinitive. Bare infinitive means only V1, not 2 plus V1. But what do we have here? He wouldn't let anyone to drive. So that is error. Let anyone drive his new car. So what you have to do? Omit preposition to. 91. Among the reasons cited by the employee for quitting the job were the pressure of work, the outstanding duties, and desiring to pursue her hobbies. What is the error? Among the reasons cited by the employee, only one, for quitting the job. So there are many reasons. Among them, we are talking about a few. Were the pressure of work, one, the outstation duties, two, and desiring to pursue her hobbies. No, it is not desiring. It should not be desiring. It should be desire to work. So replace desiring with desire. Here only one employee, guys. Employee is singular, only one. Here noun is singular. That means here we have to consider that employee here they're taken as a girl, a lady. So her is correct only, not there. Only one copy of the book running into 1200 pages on Gandhiji's visit to the state of Andhra Pradesh remain now. What is the error? Quick. Only one copy of the book running into 1200 pages on Gandhiji's visit to the state of Andhra Pradesh remain now. Why desired means there we cannot take V4. We require V1 which can also taken as an imperative form. So here our subject is one copy. It is singular. Hence verb must be singular. Replace remain with remains. Is that clear? It's 93. Shyam studied in Moscow since 10 years when his father was posted there from 1976 to 1985. 1976 to 1985. How many years here? 10 years only, no? So those 10 years only, no? Here we are mentioning 10 years, right? So do we have period of time or point of time? Are we talking about point of time? 10 years means point of time or period of time? It is period of time, not point of time. Hence, replace since with for. Replace since with for. For 10 years because it is period of time. Question number 94. If the growth of population had been controlled earlier, mankind wouldn't live in a polluted world now. What is the error? Here it is in if clause. If plus subject. The growth of population had been controlled earlier. That means what is the tense here? If plus had plus V3, past perfect, must be followed by would have plus V3, unfulfilled condition. So subject mankind wouldn't, where is have? That is missing right here. So place have, wouldn't have lived in a polluted world now. 95. Are you having your own transport to go home from work? Is it giving sense? Having, again, verb of possession cannot be used in continuous tense. So what should be the correction? What we have to replace that with? Yeah, you cannot write in continuous tense. You can write in It is in which continuous? Are you having? Present continuous. So you have to write in simple present. So what is the simple present? Do you have? So replace are you having with do you have, because having we cannot go with possession in ing form, right? 96. The various consequences of the decision taken by the finance ministry was not foreseen by the bureaucrats. What is the error? You might have answered by taking this into consideration of, but that is a typo, guys. The various consequences, it's a typo, it should be only F. The various consequences of the decision. So the subject is the various consequences of the decision. That means subject is plural. Taken by the finance ministry. This is additional information of the decision. After that, whatever whoever taken, this taken by the finance ministry, you must consider as additional information. So here is our verb was. Can we take was? Here our subject is plural, hence we require a plural verb. What you have to do? Replace was with were. Were foreseen. Is that clear, guys? The police brought the common to the villagers. The police brought to the conmen to the villagers so that they can identify them. What is the error? The police brought the conmen to the villagers so that they can identify them. What is the error and what should be the correction? It is in which tense, guys? Police brought. Brought is V2. That means it is in past tense. To the conmen. Police brought the conmen to the villages so that they. Can is in present. We require the past form of can. They could identify them. So what you have to do? Replace can with could. 98. The Mumbai police have found the body of a man who they believe to be the prime suspect in a murder case. The Mumbai police. Police is plural. So have is correct. Found the body of a man. Okay. So here it is in which tense? Have found. Present perfect. All right. Next. Who they believe to be the prime suspect in a murder case. What is the error here? Conman means cheater, a trickster. One who cheats others, one who tricks others. That is called conman. See, who is correct only here? Because who? A man. Here something is not done. Here it is in subjective case only because we are giving some information. Who they believe. That means they always believe. No, right? They found a body and they brought it to Mumbai. Right. So the Mumbai police have found the body of a man. Okay, they found a body of a man somewhere. Now, they mentioned it, they believe to be whom? Whom becomes object. But here we are talking about the body of a man. They believe to be prime suspect in a murder case. If it is believe, how can you know that the man is a prime suspect? That means continuously he will be the prime suspect in every case, in every murder case? No, right? That means they already believed that that particular man is a prime suspect. Hence, you have to replace this V1 with V2, believed, because they done it before. And now they have found the body of that person. So who is correct? Many people feel that whom, but no, this is a little tricky, but good question. Question number 99. The mansion next door was being bought by some new people. Here it is in passive voice because something has been done to Subject received the action, but the structure of the sentence is inappropriate. So what should be the correction? The mansion next door, okay. Was is there. After was, can we use been? No. Was bought, V3, by some new people. So what we have to do? We have to omit been. So been is used only in perfect tenses. It is in simple past. So omit that been. That would be good. All right, now let's see the last question. I am taking care of the garden since my father's death. What is the error? I am taking care of the garden since my father's death. So, father's death, that means it happens sometime. Since then, you are taking care is wrong. It should be I have been taking care, but it is because it is a long period of time. Action started somewhere in the past, continuing in the present. Your father died somewhere here, so the death of the father, and the action is going on, and now also it's going on, don't know when it ends. So it should be in present perfect tense. I have been taking care of the garden. That's about our today's session.